Hello, brothers and sisters. Welcome back again to another video. My name is Javi. I hope all of you guys are having the most amazing day today. May your day have been at least pleasant and just very chill, relaxing, feeling the good energy of the sun, the fresh air, and just keeping yourself grounded and focused in the moment, as well as being your true self, your true non-egoic character that seems to come up in ourselves from time to time because of this whole experience of this world that everybody plays this roles. And for the sake of conversation, we all get caught up in that personal self, and it takes us into places that people end up saying things they don't want to say. People end up doing things they don't want to do. They end up creating the self-sabotage that always kicks them in the butt, and the thing that they try to heal from again. So all is love, all is good. It's always going to be great when you have your mind clear. When you have your mind clear, you're not thinking of the past, you're not thinking of the future, you're not thinking of anything that you're lacking anything, you're not missing anything, you're not incomplete, you're not even bored. You're just clear, here, present, chilling, feeling life, observing life, breathing life, laughing with life, loving with life, actually giving attention to the things that matter. You would be surprised by just being silent, by being silent, by being in the moment, and just observing the trees, the wind, the simplest things, simplest things become a very enriching experience. They become a very beautiful, nurturing experience. It's kind of like, when we go and eat food, and not only look to gain nourishment, but we go to get an experience of pleasure, of taste buds, of joy, of all the chemical reactions of the high that you get when you eat like a very tasty food. The value we put on eating is because we're looking for these experiences. Now, when we are present, we're hit those levels of ecstasy just without the extra that eating unhealthy or overstimulating yourself with the external life pleasures and external life habits and external life, trying to always fill in, the next, good high, the next good experience, the next good, because you feel like you want to enjoy the most out of life and suck the most out of the life, which is true. You want to enjoy the most out of life, but it's not all just external based. It's not all just, oh, the only way I can enjoy life and really being happy is only in the external world, and by being a consumer, by being I need to fill up myself with all these things so that I can say at the end of the day that I did it all. And when you are doing that, you, in reality, most of the time, when people that are looking to fill their life with the external world aren't seeing that they're only looking to fill their personal egoic person that is present in their who they are in that moment. And you will notice, as most of you are noticing if you're already further in your spiritual awakening, that your true self actually doesn't seek anymore to get all these external things. You feel just more simple, more content. You're able to sustain those high ecstasy moments and high uh beautiful just like senses of like enjoyment, like you would with, some crazy sugary food. But by not eating crazy sugar food, just sometimes you're just so in the moment and so like here, present, and humble that you just get filled with joy all of a sudden. You just, start to smile just by looking at the sun, or, you start to create these energetic, beautiful vibrations out of just your own self that you emit. You emit it outwards. Your electric magnetic field eventually gets charged, and then you're just smiling at everybody. You're just dancing for no reason and singing and whistling, and life just really, really becomes a joy to not only live and enjoy externally, but yourself actually becomes a very beautiful being. You transcend all your fears, and you're not thinking what people are thinking about. You're not thinking about nothing. You're just so you being you, and freely, and at the highest possible element that you can be. And that, my friends, is life. So I'm gonna leave it at that. Love you guys. Keep shining, keep rocking it out there, keep knocking it out. You guys are just the most beautiful creations that this universe could have ever created. And I'm not speaking for your ego, like I said, to get all boosted or nothing, or oh, how important are we? Are the animals not important? Are there? No, it is to validate you of who you truly are, because you are a divine expression of the universe, and to own up to that. It is more of a humbling thing when you see, it's kind of like your self-esteem gets so high that you're actually able to be humble. So I love you guys. Namaste. Peace be with you. All is love. Om.